Day of inauguration of National Wildlife Week and Gandhi Jayanti, that is 2nd October, we tried to explore the wilderness in a picturesque hilly spot, Chod Motu Panjia. The forests are dominated by Quercus oblongata, bunch, and Pinus roxburghi cheat. The location in the Ramkot Forest Range of Bilabar Forest Division was explored along with the locals to find out which unique wild edibles or which familiar plants or unfamiliar plants exist in the forest habitat. We are lucky to find the plants of Ramusacea vivipara, hitchhiker's elephantier plant. Single leaf plants, they were growing in abundance in the cheed pine forest. The underground corm was beautiful red, and it was bearing the bulbil bearing or bulbiferous shoots, which will help the plant in pollinating asexually. And this plant is locally known as tanta and also consumed by the locals as vegetable. This belongs to the family Araceae, Kachalu family, kind of Kachalu, and even once it was considered as species of Colocasia as Colocasia vivipara. Nearby we could see the trees of another important Himalayan forest fruit tree, which is dioecious, evergreen, nitrogen fixing, and it has the purplish pink fruits. So it is named as bayberry or box myrtle tree, botanically identified as Myrica esculenta. Earlier it was called as Myrica nogi. This particular tree has very disjunct distribution in Jammu Hills. It is found in the Kardonala on way to Bani, and second spot was Chod Motu area. And this particular spot and the presence of coffle trees stands mentioned even in the Dogri literature, especially the novels written by famous Dogri Sahitya Academy Award writer Deshbandhu Dogra Nutan. In the hills, especially around the farmlands, we could see the Banhaldar, Hedychium spicatum, Kapoor Kachari, which is very useful medicinal plant. In the vicinity, we could see another fascinating plant, which was in fact locally known to the people as Lodra, Symplochus paniculata. Its bark is used in formulations of various Ayurvedic medicines for the treatment of gynecological problems. In English it is called as Himalayan sapphire berry, as it has the blue fruits. Another unique tree which we could spot during our wilderness exploration, that was species of fig, Ficus nereifolia. The same tree when I spotted in the Daral hills was told as Dodla because it is full of milky white latex. But here in Chod Motu Panjia, locals named the tree as Panjoli. Even when I was on a visit to Makatao Devi Mandir in Sundarvani forest range, local named the tree Ficus semicaudata as Panjal. So I was wondering whether Panjal, which is Ficus semicaudata in Sundarvani, has same kind of name for Ficus nereifolia in Chod Motu Panjia. The presence of wild Himalayan cherry trees was another unique feature of the forest of this area, and the tree botanically identified as Prunus cercoides was known to the locals as Badaran. In other hills of Ramnagar forest division, people name the tree as Bataran, but here local people called it as a Badaran. But it has same kind of appearance as we find in case of peach. But the difference is peach starts blooming in early spring, but here is the Himalayan wild cherry which starts blooming in autumn, rather around Diwali time. And this particular tree is known as Paiya in Uttarakhand. It has a religious sanctity. It is used in yagnic sacrificial fires, and even fruit is edible, and seeds are used in necklaces. So this is another tree which I recommend for introduction in our forest nurseries. It should be used in the plantations. During the 8th Tree Talk anniversary, we distributed the saplings of Prunus cercoides. One such sapling was planted in the campus of Indian Institute of Integrative Medicine, Jammu. This particular exploration day on the wildlife week inaugural day, we could see some grasses which have very fascinating local names. For example, Apluda mutica was named as Santhar by the local villagers. Then there was another Pennisetum orientale which was named by the locals as Kharda. We could see Rus chinensis tree. The fruits are used as substitute of tamarind, and locals call it as tunga. But in most other locations in Ramnagar hills, it is named as titri. This is a mango family plant. We could get the samples of tiger tree. Tiger tree on Wildlife Week inaugural day, and tiger tree known as Bishop wood tree, also as Paniala in Hindi, botanically identified as Biscophia javanica, and locally in Bilawar it is known as Chuntar or Chuntar. It has the red colored blaze, and this is preferred by the tigers in the northeastern Assam wildlife areas to demarcate the boundary. So it has been named as tiger tree. Another tree which we could see the samples brought by the locals was Mada tree or Amada Spondia spinetta. It is again from mango family, and its fruits are pickled. The tree we could spot from the family Celastraceae was Cassine glauca, locally called as Gangera or Merindu. We could see Malkangani, Celastris paniculata, and even we could enjoy the tea made from the Brahmi. It was unique experience to have presence of two different kinds of Brahmis in the forest of Chodmotu Panjim. One was Centella asiatica, which we used for brewing the herbal tea, but another Brahmi which looked very similar, but it was under different genus. It was Hydrocotyle Cyptheropoidis. We could see this was also growing side by side in the Cheed Pine forests of Chodmotu Panjim.